This is our crash out routine consistently every single time we're going through anything at all.
Every time Mishal and I feel like today the world is over. We're like, let's just do what we want, and it's always the same 3 steps. So we're gonna take you through it.
Let's go. So Lenishka and I are normally 99% of the time on some kind of health kick. We're always like targeting something, not trying to eat something. But when we're going through it, our number one goal is just carbs.
100%. And it's not a pizza, it's not a burger, it's not a pasta.
It is the most raw and like desi form you can find. That is a Sandwiza sandwich.
It's a Bombay sandwich.
Every time we're going through it, we just need to like find comfort, and our comfort is always a Sandwiza sandwich. It becomes like, it's like we always say our wickets are down when the Sandwiza gets involved.
I was thinking we should discuss all the crash outs we've had.
Okay, let's discuss our most iconic crash out.
Not getting into university.
Ooh,
That's a big one.
That was a big crash out. There's a lot of Sandwiza involved in that. Coming back from university.
Oh yeah!
Big crash out.
Not getting an internship.
Oh god.
Every step of the way we
No, literally.
we do this on a weekly basis.
Yeah, our job market is great. It's our sandwich of choice. Let's unbox it.
It's
You guys don't understand, like this is not a normal like your mother's sandwich, okay?
No, it's on crack. Wait. Shut the fuck up. Look at the size of that thing.
I don't know where they buy their bread from.
It's so shiny.
And it's so buttery and it's so cheesy, and it is like, it will heal all your problems. I promise you. At least makes you forget about them for sure.
Like one crunch and that's it.
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
The amount of crashes we had in my car.
So many. Shout out to the Duster, honestly. We used to crash out and the car would crash out with us. It would stop.
Yeah, my old car was like 15 years old.
Yeah.
And it would shut down on spontaneously.
I had the worst possible moments. Like I had signals, with angry men around us. We're on the scene, we're like, Mishal, chalu. But I love the Duster. I think it like caught on to our emotions.
Yeah,
so if we were having a bad time, it's like, me too.
Yeah, but when you were having a good day, it would always work.
That's true. Intuitive car.
Normally I eat 2 Sandwichas at the same time. I have the untoasted one and the toasted one.
This same thing?
Yeah, it's like so good.
Untoasted.
Yeah, there's a white bread one. It's like the soft white bread, and this with this chutney. Oh, so
Oh my
good.
god, I love it when bread gets soggy.
Yeah. I can't eat healthy when I'm sad. Like my body will reject. I can't go to the gym when I'm sad. I can't eat healthy when I'm sad. Like nothing happens.
How can you fucking like
Forget to eat.
What does that mean?
Doesn't make any sense.
What is your day guided by then? Like what is your
Literally.
what do you wake up and think?
About your meals.
Do you not think about chai?
Exactly.
Do you not think about, ooh, this would be great? Like what is on your For You page? My like Takeshi's Castle is my walk from my gym to my house. Because there are so many options to eat in this track. When I leave, there's a naturals right outside.
Really?
I have to ignore it every day.
But I don't like naturals.
No, but it's just opportunities to eat. There's ganne ka juice.
Fair enough.
There's a Pret. And then there's like
Pret would get to me.
There's
sure.
like a...
I haven't been near a Pret in a long time.
Really?
If I was near a Pret, I would like kill it out.
Yeah.
I love Pret.
And then like a vada pav and Chinese pakoda stall.
That sounds crazy.
And I'm like, can you believe
What's a Chinese pakoda?
So then instantly to cancel all of that out, Mishal and I will get ourselves a bunch of juices.
Like right now we've got 3.
Yeah, please get us a juice haul.
Okay, this is a ABC with adrak in it because we love adrak.
And
this is a Mara Mari, which is pineapple and mosambi. And which one is that one?
Ganga Jamuna.
I love it. It's so patriotic. Okay, cheers.
Favorite 3. Cheers.
Let's go.
Are we downing it? What's happening?
Yes.
I think if you have 3 juices, you can skip a workout. Snacks are too important to me.
What do you think your biggest crash out was?
Oof. I don't know. Do you remember? Oh, not knowing what I wanted to do after 12. Mishal sent me so much malai chicken to my house during that time span. Like I used to love it. So he would like, I remember one time I didn't even want to talk. I don't know why I was so dramatic. But you have dropped it down like on my floor and gone. Yeah, I remember this girl was like, I can't talk. And you came to my room, you put it there and you left. I did not engage with you. It was so dramatic.
We're so dramatic.
Yeah.
We've been through so many eras together.
मैं बैठी थी और he has slid malai chicken and I was like, okay. And I just like after you left, I went to the kitchen and got a fork.
My last big crash out, okay?
Yeah.
I had an era where I was calling up Lenishka just crying, okay? I would call it up and I would just call up and just cry for hours.
No words were said.
No, there was no conversation. I just wanted to bawl, okay? Yeah. And this poor girl.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
I clearly remember I was driving to Otters Club, okay? I was like on my way to the gym. And I pick out the phone and she's crying. And I'm like, wait, what's going on to you now? And she's like, yeah, you can't call me and just cry, Mishal. Like, for so long, so many days you've been crying. I'm feeling bad. Why?
I started feeling asar. Like, actually, guys, I don't know. My parents, like, not that this was about me at all. 0%, but my parents were out of town. I was by myself and I had my visa appointment. So I used to, any free second I got, I would call him and be like, what's up? And he was not tell me any words. And it's like one of those ambiance music things where for 2 days straight I was only listening to wailing. So I'm putting my passport together, like I'm outside the visa office and I'm like, yeah, and then I'd cut it, do what I have to do, come back, and then on the way back I would do this. And like I was just like living in this background sound for 2 days, and then ultimately then there was like silent for 1 minute and I just started crying. I don't know what.
So our crash outs are like what's it called? Our crash outs are like transformative, where they transfer from each other.
No, but the thing is, the minute I cried, Mishal stopped, like did not cry at all.
But that's my problem. I don't think I can like cry. Like there's that scene in the movies where everybody cries together.
Yeah.
मेरे से नहीं होता. Somebody else is crying, I laugh. Like I can't do it. मेरे से नहीं होता.
If one wicket is down, all wickets go down. This always happens to us.
I remember. Like this is so true.
Yeah, like we're like. It'll never happen that his crash out will happen when I'm doing well in life. Never.
And the problem is both of us are so over therapized. I feel like when we just end up being like sorry.
I felt so bad because then Mishal spoke to, I'm gonna say, a third friend of ours about it, and she told me about it and I felt like horrid, and I was like, and I got even more mad. I was like, if you felt like that, why didn't you say that to me? He's like, no, it's okay, and then we had like a whole other thing. It was so crazy.
But yeah, like that's the thing. Like I feel like we're at a point in our relationship where like we always call this like we're like we know each other's grandmothers. Okay, like that's the thing. So at this point, we're too locked in to fight with each other. It just ends with like us like trying to fix it. And pick up the phone and Anushka will be like, hi. And I'll be like, what happened? Like there's no like I'll pick up the phone and I'll cry immediately. There's no like I don't wait to be asked because I want to talk about it. She doesn't want to talk about it. She wants to be like, bol na kya hua, and then she'll say it.
That's true. But I'm gonna take inspiration from you where I'm just gonna harass you about it. Like,
yeah, I love it. I'm like, but why didn't you tell me? Then I get mad at you.
That's true.
The story starts and it was hot and it was summer and I had it all, I had it right there where I wanted it. She's gonna say that she's not what you think, she's an actress, wow. She's gonna find stealing other people's toys on the playground. Hush.
Was a performance.
I used to think I was smart. Girls your age know better.
Thanks for rushing out with us.
We highly recommend this routine. If something's going wrong in your life, don't just watch a movie, don't just talk about it. Do the 3 steps and it'll be fabulous.
And please don't cry on the internet.